How can PPC be used to support A/B testing on Amazon? So the way how we are using PPC when it comes down to A/B testing specifically is that we want to make sure that always whenever we're testing something, we don't move the needle on anything else but the one thing. In this example, let's say that you're going to be A/B testing your main image. If you're going to A/B test the main image, that it means that you are going to give a specific dedicated time for your main image to perform. Now you can do this in Amazon Experiments. You can do this quickly through an A/B testing platform. What we're looking for here, we're looking for that one change. Now, if we are layering in PPC, on the PPC end, we should change absolutely nothing besides regular optimization. So we are not bleeding money, but we should be not creating new campaigns. We should be not doing anything else besides that, because you are going to gather a lot of false evidence for something that it's not applicable. In this scenario, already you have the one moving variable, which is going to be the main image change, right? So that is already one moving variable. Now, layering in on top, also spending more or less on advertising, what you're going to do is you're creating this false positive of, hey, actually the image is bad, and it's not working, when in fact the image might be tremendously performing well, but instead of $1,000 for this week, you spend $800 on this week. And those $200 might be that impactful for you. So this is why I'm saying that when it comes down to how PPC can be used to support A/B testing on Amazon, we would be stopping major movers when it comes down to ads. By major movers, we're not going to create any new campaign, we're not going to add any new coupons, we're not going to add any brand tailored promotions or anything on that side. We're not going to increase, decrease pricing, nothing of such order. We are going to aim to spend the same amount as we spent, for example, last week. Now, keep in mind, we're still monitoring the ads, we're still managing the ads, we're still optimizing the ads bit by bit, little by little, not major movers. And then in the meantime, we can leave as clean as possible pathway for the images B testing to go through. That is how we would approach it.